Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Casey and I like to share tips and tricks about teaching online, and sometimes I share little fun stories or, I don't know, would you rather questions. I like to have fun, so I like to throw that in there sometimes. But today I'm doing a little unboxing, or an unpackaging, if you will. It's not a box, but yeah. I think these are pots and pans. I don't feel like pots and pans. Let's have a look and see. What? A hoodie? That's strange. Very strange. So instead of my pots and pans, I got this hoodie. What? What is happening in the world? Oh my goodness. So here's the hoodie, and just kidding. Just kidding. So, I know that was funny. It's like, there is a story where a girl got pots and pans instead of her 6th contract VIPKid hoodie, so I was doing a little play off of that. So yeah, but I didn't really want the pots and pans. I actually did order this and I got it. So actually, I haven't seen the back of this before. I've seen the front of it, which is really cool. And yeah, here's the back. So Dino is actually on the hoodie. I had no idea. I just thought it was VIPKid on the sleeve and everything. And here, ooh, it even says in Chinese. That's cool. Look at that. That's exciting. Oh, you probably can't see it. Boom. There we go. Yeah, how cool is that? That's really awesome. I'm so excited. And I'm happy that it's not pots and pans. I'm really excited that I got the hoodie, and it's definitely nice. So if you don't know what the 6th contract VIPKid hoodie is, then every 6 months you get into a new contract. And so this means I've been with them for about 3 years. So going into my 3rd year soon. And so because of that, they used to give it to you for free, but now you have to pay like $35 or something. It's not bad, but you know, it's like the cost of a hoodie. So yeah, so I got my hoodie though. Woohoo! So excited. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have to put it on. Okay, hold on. Yay, so here it is. Oh my goodness, look at it. So it says VIPKid, woohoo! VIPKid Chinese thing. And then the back, I'll put the hood up. There we go. So I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully, do different angles. Can you see it? Yeah, maybe no. Hopefully, but yeah, there it is. Woohoo! I know when I was opening it and I was doing the little, oh, these aren't pots and pans, I was actually really excited. So I don't know if my acting is good or not, but my acting skills. I do like acting. That's another thing I do. Anyways, but yeah, I'm so excited that I got my hoodie. Woo! It's just in time. It's starting to get a little cold here sometimes, so yay! Now I'm ready for winter. I'm ready to take on winter. Winter is coming, though. I don't know. It's 2020. Maybe it'll be like crazy summer all year. Who knows? I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, I got my hoodie, so I do know that much, and I'm excited for this. Woohoo! Happy dance, happy dance. Yeah, hoodie action. Yeah, woohoo! Okay, sorry. I'm really excited because I haven't worked at a job this long for a long time. So yeah, I'm just really excited to share this with you. So it's definitely a great accomplishment, and I'm really excited that I'm with VIPKid. They're a fun company, and it's a great side gig if you've had any experience with working with kids, doing, you know, teaching, coaching, just various things, even babysitting. If you have several years, 2 years babysitting or any of that, and parenting, then hey, you might want to try it out and see what you think about it. It's a good company, and I don't know, they have a lot of teachers and a lot of wonderful students, so it's just really fun. Yeah, so definitely a great job, and very excited and thankful, grateful that I have it. Oh my goodness, I feel like super official right now because you see that they wear these in like all the professional videos that they do. They're always wearing these and I'm like, oh my gosh, now I have one of them. And it's crazy that I actually have one of these. Like, I'm wearing one of the legendary 6 contract VIPKid hoodies right now. Woohoo! Yeah! Go team! Sorry, I'm weird. It's just exciting. How to share it with you. Thank you so much for watching. It's a contract. Yeah. Go me. Go me. Pat on the back. Yeah. Alright. Thanks everybody. I just wanted to share that with you. So exciting. And I hope y'all have an awesome day. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye everyone.